Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to draw a box that is 20 inches by 20 inches. And you can see right there, and it has lines spaced every quarter inch. Pretty easy to do. They were trying the graph paper or the table tool. I just find it easier just to draw a line that's 20 inches long. Now we are gonna go to edit and step and repeat, and we're gonna space between objects, a quarter of an inch. To the right, no offset vertically. And I need 81 of them, I think, to make a 20 by 20. And you can see it's a little bit off because that's the thickness of the line. It is 20.001. So let's group that together, Control G, hit P, put it in the center. Didn't get them all. Control G to group, hit P to put them in the center page. Control D to duplicate them and then rotate it 90 degrees. And we're off. How is that possible? $20.25. Remember that line I did not group? That shouldn't have been in there. So let's do 80 lines. Then group, Control G, 20.01. Hit P, there we go. Control D to duplicate and rotate them 90 degrees. That's all it takes. So now you have a 20 by 20 square, 1/1000th of an inch off. That's just because the thickness of the line, and our lines are a quarter of an inch apart. I don't know what you would do that. You definitely wouldn't cut it. So I made it bigger than a hairline so it would not cut, and then make it black to engrave if they're going to engrave it. Unless they're just going to play around with making designs. You know, we got a little leak. You know, you could do stuff like this and make your own design that would be symmetrical. Got a leak up top. It's that line up top. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.